During my tenure in industry, I've seen people are using MS Excel for managing even some big size product development project. Believe me, this is not at all easy. Now I'll show you why. Let me take an example of building my own dream house and let's start tracking it using MS Excel. For example's sake, let's take only 3 activities from the project. Dig foundation, pour concrete, build wall. I have to manually enter all the duration and dates while double checking that none of these tasks were scheduled over a weekend or a holiday. Otherwise it will go haywire. I made few mistakes while creating the schedule. I calculated dig foundation to finish on 9th October and pour concrete would start on 9th October. Actually, it should start on the next working day, that is 10th October. Eventually, I have to update the finish date of pour concrete to be 13th October. I then had to correct the start date and finish date of build wall as a result of this mistake. There were only 3 tasks in the schedule, but it was very annoying and hard to be accurate. Now, while updating the schedule, I found it more difficult. The dig foundation task has been extended to 6 days due to some unforeseen circumstances. Earlier it was 4 days. To address its effect on the schedule, I need to update the details marked in red. These are duration of dig foundation, the finish date of dig foundation, the start date, finish date for pour concrete and build wall. All these 6 updates resulted from the one small change in the project schedule. It took me a while to work on these dates for dig foundation because when it was changed from 4 days to 6 days in terms of extended duration, the task was then scheduled over the weekend, which is non-working day. So I had to take that into account. Furthermore, the pour concrete task took me a while to work out the dates for dig foundation because when it is changed from 4 days to 6 days in terms of extended duration, the task was then scheduled over weekend, which is non-working. So I had to take that into account. Furthermore, the pour concrete task is no longer scheduled over weekend. So the dates needs to be calculated again. This is another manual calculation that I need to make. So you can imagine when it takes such an exhaustive work to track only 3 tasks, how it will look like when the task will be in hundreds and thousands. So use of MS Excel for project management is not at all a viable option now.